Hey my soul tribe, this is Solstice. I love traveling and living in a minivan, but when you settle down somewhere like I did in the Teton Valley, you want to be able to make some space for self-care that protects you from the bugs and the elements, but still leaves you feeling totally connected to nature. So that's what I set out to do, to make a spa in a teepee tent out of things found in the woods and what I can just fit underneath my bed in my minivan.
Mix it up easy. Pull the floor out evenly and tightly and hammer steaks at a 45 degree angle.
This is Crystal. She's my van mate and the camp host here where I am a guest.
What it do, YouTube? Just know you got a weirdo on there.
In this video, I'll show you how I run hot water from my minivan to the teepee to fill the bathtub, and how I empty the tub later. And hopefully this sparks your desire to get creative. I'm committed to living a creative life because that's what makes me feel like a kid again. I used a commercial grade rug that holds like a gallon of water. If you don't have a rug like this, no worries, the bottom of the tent is waterproof and can be easily mopped up with a towel. I picked this specific inflatable kiddie pool because it holds only 27 gallons and is pretty much the same dimensions as a standard sized bathtub. This means instead of using the faucet, I can potentially run water from the water tank on my roof to fill this tub in an off-grid boondock setting. So subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that in the future you can watch me have a bath with some stunning views. This 1/2-inch thick yoga mat is great for protecting the pool from anything that might be sticking up through the bottom of the tent, and also gives you a padding while sitting in the tub. As a safety precaution, you should keep your propane tank closed while driving the vehicle. This is my shower head, and then I hook up the hose from the faucet to my heat-on-demand tankless hot water tank in the back of the minivan. As you saw, the hot water is 135 degrees. I removed the shower head and hooked up the hose that runs out to the tent. Then I slip it through the sleeve that is used for an extension cord. And there you have it, endlessly streaming hot water to the tub. I made this towel rack out of a tree branch. I also use it to hang my clothes on. The towel rack is simply attached with some zip ties to the poles of the tent. The views outside connect me to the beauty of nature. These paintings I made at a process painting class at the Teton Branch Library. In this one, I was inspired by the meadows outside And of course, I have to have an underwater theme. I love this turtle. If you'd like to watch me painting these paintings, I'm going to have a short series coming up. It takes about 45 minutes to fill the tub. Now all I need to do is just add some essential oils and some Epsom salts. And I'm ready to take a bath. I love this sugar scrub from Primal Life Organics. The tub is empty by taking this short hose and completely submerging it in the water, taking out all of the air bubbles entirely. Then you close it up with your thumb tightly, pull it out, and then drop it in a location that's slightly or at least lower than the tub. I use this rock to help make sure that it stays lower. It increases the flow. It takes about 20 minutes to completely empty the tub. Then when the tub is mostly empty through siphoning, you can just dump the rest of it out easily. Then just wipe down the tub and it's ready for the next relaxing moment in nature. This is a microfiber towel and I just hang it up on the towel rack to let it dry. Over the summer solstice, I met some people at the campsite next door, and they were cutting wood and discovered this hollowed out piece of wood that I think is absolutely stunning, and I had to use it in my designs. I love putting candles and wildflowers in it. I like using coconut oil and wintergreen and peppermint for my massages. Crystal was kind enough to be my model for this massage demonstration. In the morning, I can use the tent to do my surf exercises with Kel Brock on YouTube.
Each leg, where we actually bring the foot up in between. 4, 5.
And of course, no teepee spa is complete without being a meditation space. Okay, my soul tribe, get out and do what makes you feel like a kid again.